back to this channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Chileta Cynthia, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Thank you. You are welcome. You guys are welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw your eyeliner easily without making mistakes and doing it comfortably without being stressed. This video is definitely for you if you want to really learn how to draw your eyeliner using a gel liner. I guess this video is definitely for you. You should just calm down, focus, just relax and enjoy this video. So guys, as you can see, I already done my brows and my eyeshadow, my eye work. So I just had to just do the my brows and my eyeshadow off camera. If you are interested in learning how to draw your brows, you can watch my video up here. And yeah, let's go into this tutorial. So guys, I'm going to be using my eyeliner from L.A Cosmetics, and the first thing you don't want to be doing is squeezing your eyes. So you need to give like a very smooth and plain surface so you'll be able to draw a straight line. So I'm trying my best not to squeeze my eyes. You have to like close your eyes in a slanty form, looking at a mirror in a slanting form, and yeah. So some people like to do their base first, that's their eyeliner base first, but I prefer doing the wing first. So whichever is comfortable for you, I guess that's the best one for you to go with. So I start with my wing, then I come down to my base. So yes, I start with my wing small, so I'll be able to know the thickness that I'll be able to go with. So I like adding the thickness, increasing the thickness as I go down to my base. So that's how I create this thickness. If you find this really complicating, you can as well start with your base, then go with your wing. So the idea is drawing your wing, going down to your base, drawing it down to your base, and then increasing the thickness. So that's literally what I'm doing here. Increasing the thickness, and I'm going to be filling in my inner eyes so it won't look awkward. I'm going to be filling in my inner eyes with the tip of my eyeliner. So I'm going to be doing this the same to the other eye. I'm going to be repeating this process, drawing a line and then bringing it down to my base. That's forming this triangular shape. It's kind of forming a triangular shape, bringing it down to my base and then increasing the thickness. So guys, after you're done with this process, all you need to do is use a concealer to erase whatever mistake you've done, or to highlight your brows to make it more sharper, to make it straighter. So yeah, that's it. What is this look without some lashes? So I'm going to be using my mascara to brush out the excess product from my eyeliner on my lashes. I'm going to be brushing it really out, and then I'm going to be putting on some lashes just to make this look complete. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Let me know down the comment section what you think about this video. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share to your friends. Yeah, see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.